Hi guys, it's Brookelynne and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be this Christmas makeup look I do every single year. But this time I decided to do a nice green glittery smoky eye instead of doing the red lip. This look is perfect for going out for like a Christmas party, Christmas night out, Christmas event, wherever you want to go. It's something Christmas. If you don't want to wear a red lip, you just want to go more bold on the eyes, this is for you. This is perfect, and especially if you love glitter. So if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. I'm taking my Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumour 0.3. Just using my fingers to apply a small amount of that on the eyelid. Taking my BPerfect Dream Big eyeshadow palette. I'm taking like a nice chocolate brown colour on a fluffy crease brush, just to add a nice transition and to set that crease area to stop it from creasing. I'm taking a dark ivy green colour, I think it is, yeah, like an ivy type of green colour. Just using the smaller crease brush, if I can speak, just packing that on the outer corners of my eyes and also into the crease. I'm taking a mixture of a blue and green glitter to make more of a turquoise type of green blue kind of colour, and I'm just packing it on with a shader brush all over the eyelids just to really create that nice sparkle. I love to pack my glitter pop lid colours just to make them more intense, and I'm drawing that up above the crease a little bit just to create more of that fake cut crease effect. Going back in with that darker green to re-intensify that smokiness, taking that really white colour on another shader brush, just putting it on the brow bones and the inner corners. Taking my W7, it's the more line eyeliner, and just doing a nice simple line, like a black line on my lash line. And then I am just working away and making sure it's perfect. Taking my e.l.f. Vit C Putty Primer just all over the face to create that nice smooth canvas. Taking my BPerfect Chroma Cover foundation in the shade N5 with my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge, just bouncing that off my face to create that nice flawless full coverage look. I think a full coverage sets off a glam look so well because it just gives you that dull like effect to your makeup, and who does not want that? I'm going in with my concealers. I'm using my collection Lasting Perfection in Fur, and I'm using my Primark in the shade, I think it's Sand, just underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, middle of the forehead, cupid's bow and chin, to create that nice highlighted sculpted look and to cover up any dark circles. And these concealers do a really good job. Using my sponge to blend that in, and then I'm taking my, I think it's SheGlam Duo Setting Powder, I believe it's called, in the shade Transition, just on my fluffy powder brush, just bouncing that all in the face and blend it in to make sure it's set. My whole foundation, my whole base is set for the night. Taking that bottle green colour used on the outer corners, I'm just using a wee small eyeliner brush to create like a nice line in the inner corners, the inner half of my lower lash line. Taking that black in that palette on the outer half of my lower lash line to create more of like a gradient, if you know what I mean, like a nice gradient eyeliner look on the lower lash line, like a full liner. And taking my W7 More Lashes mascara in black, just giving both sets of lashes a good coat. I am going to be doing 2 coats of this mascara for this look, but you can use falsies if you want to. And if I was using this for a night out, not just a normal Sunday, I would have used falsies. Taking my Head Breaker blush bronzer duo, taking the bronzer with my Obsessions angle brush to sculpt out my face. This bronzer is perfect because it isn't too dark, not too light. It's just a perfect colour, so it's easy to work with. I'm just building that up and blend out as I need to. Taking that blush in that duo I'm applying that with my unicorn blush brush, just giving me a nice pinky glow for this look. It's perfect. I'm taking my Obsession Mega Lightning highlighter on a unicorn highlighting brush just to highlight the high points of my face, and also re-emphasising that inner corner. Taking more of my mascara to create that second coat to give me these nice full lashes. I'm taking my MUA Brow Define in the shade Auburn to create nice eyebrows, to make my eyebrows more existent, not non-existent. And I'm just shaping them in, colouring them in, and creating more of a higher arch with that brow pencil. But you do your eyebrows however you like to do them. I like to do mine a certain shape, but you do what you like to do. Taking my NYX Natural Lip Liner, just overlining my lips and outlining them. I need to get them done badly, and I will do in the new year, at the start of the new year preferably. Taking my BPerfect, I think it's called Supreme Velvet liquid lipstick in the shade Perfect Nude, just creating that nice pale nude lip look. I'm going over the top of that with my W7 lipstick in the shade Nude Light to create more of a colour to them, like a more of a pinky sheen, like this acts as a lip gloss because it has a nice high shine finish. So using the liquid lipstick underneath is going to make that last longer, and it's going to give you that nice beautiful nude lip colour. And that is it. That is the whole completed look done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again for the next video. Stay gorgeous. God bless. Bye.